Hey guys, we are back again with another tech video. So recently many iOS users have updated their iPhone to iOS 15. And one of the common problems they are complaining about is that their iPhone got stuck on the Apple logo right after the update. Are you too dealing with the same situation? Well, there is a strong possibility that you haven't executed the upgrade successfully and eventually your OS got corrupted. In such case, going with a solution as simple as force restart can prove to be fruitless. However, you can always try restoring iPhone in DFU mode, which is the most serious type of iPhone restore solution. Wondering how to do? Watch the video. To put iPhone 8 or above in DFU mode, plug your device into PC and make sure iTunes is running. Press and release the volume up button quickly, and same goes to the volume down button. Then hold the power button until the screen goes black. Press and hold the volume down button while continuing to hold the side button. After 5 seconds, release the side button but continue to hold the volume down button until you see the iTunes has detected an iPhone in recovery mode pop up. And then click on Restore to restore your iPhone in DFU mode. To perform DFU in iPhone 7, connect your iPhone to your PC or laptop with USB and press and hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time for at least 8 seconds. Release the power button but keep pressing down the volume down button. You should see a message that says iTunes has detected an iPhone in recovery mode. Once you put the iPhone in DFU mode, your screen goes fully black. Click the OK button on the iTunes pop-up window and then click on Restore to restore your iPhone in DFU mode. Though this method comes out handy, but there are still some unknown iTunes error that may occur and fail the DFU restore process. Now before you start panicking about the situation, let me inform you that we have come with a perfect solution to your problem, and that is Ultphone iOS System Repair. It is one of the most reliable tools that assists you to get the latest firmware as well as fixes the iOS system issues if your device is having any. Don't worry, it's not that hard to use. Wanna know how? Let's get started. So first, head to the official website of Ultphone iOS System Repair and download the tool on your PC. Install it and launch it. Now, click on the Start button to get into the iOS System Repair module. Then, connect your iPhone to the computer and opt for Standard Repair, followed by tapping the button in the middle. The tool will then automatically fetch the most suitable and latest firmware version for your device. Hit the Download button to proceed. It may take a few minutes to download the firmware depending upon the speed of your internet connection, so please be patient. Once download completes, hit on the Start Standard Repair button and the tool will then start fixing iOS issues of your device. Meanwhile, it will also update your device's iOS to the most recent one. After the repair completes, click Done and your device will reboot. That's it. You can now make use of your device per usual and also can enjoy the all new features that comes with iOS version 15. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos on iOS updates.